Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the sound output on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, press the settings button on your remote control, which is located right beneath your power button. Then select settings, go to all settings, navigate to sound tab, and here the first option is the sound output, so select it. And then to change the sound output, you can choose one of the available options you see right here. If you are using the Samsung speaker, you can also set up Q-Symphony, which will synchronize the sound from your TV with the sound of your Samsung speaker so that they both play at the same time. But if you have a speaker that is not Samsung, you can also go to General and Privacy, go to Accessibility, and enable multi-output audio here. Then just select which speaker you want to use as a second speaker, so that to use along with your device's TV speaker. Select it, and and this way you will also play audio from two sources. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.